Hey, what is going on, dudes? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today, as you can see, I'm not on Hypixel. I'm playing vanilla Minecraft survival! Ah! I'm normal. Anyway, so basically, what I'm gonna be doing is starting a new survival series. Clearly, I'm not new on this world. I have a cool inventory, netherite stuff. I have a crossbow. Subscribe or I'll shoot you! Anyway, so basically, oh god, I think I might have killed a panda. There was a panda right there and it's gone. Okay, anyway, so this is a series that I don't know what to call. I'm gonna have to talk to Misha and James about it. But anyway, I'm just gonna call it Survival SMP. Just SMP episode 1 or something like that. I don't know. But, the people that are on the server are Jillian, aka Lalama00, Misha, James, Jackson, and 2 other people that you guys don't know. And I don't think you guys know James or Jackson, but they'll be in my future videos on the series. So, anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you guys around and you guys can see the world. Let's do this. So actually, we're going to start right here. We're going to head in here. These are all Misha's dogs. Misha was the original owner of this. He kind of started it all. There's nothing in this chest. There's some random stuff. Nobody cares about these chests. We got a chest full of random junk. Another one. Wait, I have another mending book? Wait, what did I not put mending on? I shall have to put it on my pickaxe. Alright. Then I have my ender chest with a singular emerald block. That's really it for this area. It's kind of cool. That's the girls' area that they made. Jillian did not make that. I don't actually know where Jillian lives. I think she lives over there. Actually, let's go explore that. Let's go. Alright, so we're here. Oh, this is Jackson's house. Alright, this is cool. What's up here? Oh, it's chimney. This is cute. I like this. This is Jackson's house. Alright, let's go to the nether portal. Alright, we've made it to the nether portal. So this is kind of like a nether freeway that I made. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but basically you can make nether portals and connect them. It didn't actually take too long to make them, but whatever. So that right there is James's house, and his is the first one we're going to check out. So I'm not actually going to cut this because, I mean, you guys can see it. I wonder if he has any food that I can steal. Oh, go out this way. So he has this little black stone. Then he has this little area. There's a little incident of me accidentally setting it completely on fire. Why does he have a hole to nothingness? And how did I walk over it? So his house is actually looking really cool. Oh god, his netherite armor is almost broken. Should I put mending on his chest plate? Nah, I'm not that nice. I'm just kidding. Alright, what's up here? Oh, he has a little second story attic. He has a bed. This is cool. James, if you're watching this, I like your house. Cool. Alright. So now we're gonna go back down this way and head over to my house. Actually, we'll go to my house last. Let's go to Misha's house. Alright, we have made it to Misha's house. As you can see, he lives in the middle of a jungle. It was his idea. So he has some cool stuff. I'm not gonna steal anything. He'll know if I do, because he actually watches my videos. So, I'm not gonna steal anything, but... Oh, wait, does he actually have... Oh my god. Yeah, Misha, I'm stealing some of your bread. Deal with it. I'm hungry. So... Wait, he has so much food! Hang on, I'm gonna steal some more. Just gonna... I'm just gonna take all this. Thanks, Misha! Here, I'm gonna kill this zombie for you. So, he has all this brewing stuff here, smelting, smoker stuff. Then, I think his house is extremely cool, Because it's not really a house, it's more of like a little fortress base thingy, but he has his farm down here and stuff like that. I've been here ever since he started this, so I think that this is pretty cool. So, I mean, last but not least, let's head over to my house. So real quick, mine is the very nice one with my name on it, and yeet. Let's head in here. Alright, we've made it to my base. So, I have lava in the floor, and my house is entirely made of warped planks, lava, glass, stuff like that. So I have my lanterns, those things from illagers or pillagers or whatever they are called, killed. Welcome to my sexy home. Welcome to my sexy home. These doors are the coolest doors in the game. Here's... Okay, who broke my bed? Great, now I have to grab a bed. My bed is here now. Cool, so... Wait, do I have enough to put mending on my pickaxe? Alright, I'll head to the grinder later. So I have a lot of furnaces here. My roof is made of lava. Imagine how many times I died making that. So I'm actually going to grab a minecart because I have it. Where is it? It's an iron, right? Yeah. Okay, so me and Misha's houses are actually linked. Oh, I also have warped vines. Misha destroyed those, so I have to go to the nether and grab some more. Those I set there because I can. Misha broke these two. Wait, no, he didn't. Never mind. That's a lie. Alright. Let's go. Yay. So, I built this whole thing because Misha is lazy and he didn't want to. So, this entire thing was all me. Imagine how long it took me in the nether to get all of these blocks. Lucky for me, the nether portal is literally right on top of a warped forest. What the... I don't have any rails on me. I'll fix that later. So yeah, we'll just head over to the nether. I'll show you all my stuff. So yeah, I live literally on a warped village. There's a blackstone thing that I have yet to explore. I went over there to grab some blackstone from it, then I left because I didn't have netherite yet when I started, and I could probably go in and one-shot everything because I have very good armor and, you know, weapons, but I don't really care. So I'm gonna head back to my base, and I mean, that might be the end of the video. We'll see. I'm trying to think, is there anything that I'm forgetting? There is this one underground area, but I can show you guys that in a future video. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. The place that I am thinking of starting all my videos is gonna be right here, just in my walkway. So I'm gonna end it here. If you guys did enjoy, hit the like button down below. I'm gonna do a series on this. The next one we might do some building, some redstone. We'll see. All right, peace out.